I didn't know that. Yeah. Hey guys.
Hey guys, so we're here in Tropicana. We are staying on the 36th floor, all the way up.
Where we going? I forgot you could smoke
Inside?
the casino. Yeah, ain't that nuts?
I thought it was only in designated areas.
In the casino, but we're not. This is not the casino, right?
No.
Yeah. All right, everyone. We are entering the room. It's Saturday, right? It's a busy day.
Busy day.
First impressions of everything is set. And here you go.
AC's working.
AC's working. First impressions. Door looks pretty crappy. Floor looks like it wasn't vacuumed today, but you know, AC gets a lot of traffic. Yeah. All right, everyone. This is the room. We have a two-bedroom room. Two-bedroom. We have a two-bed. Dark.